My mommy and daddy sell houses to people who don't have houses.
Let's take a look at some of these units and see what they look like.
When we first started investing, we started with one ugly house.
And then we expanded and grew, bought another one, and then another one, and then another flip, and then another rental, and we're up to about 20 rentals at this point.
And now we've bought a block.
This neighborhood is on the rise, so I want to just be a part of the resurgence in the neighborhood.
Why didn't anyone tell me that I could do this? Why did I have to just stumble upon the fact that, oh, as a young black woman, I can invest in real estate?
Want to actually be a part of the community and not just kind of live on the fringes, like, you know, be the bougie doctor.
Baltimore's become a hot market. Developers and investors are coming in, and that's why I think we're a top 10 destination for millennials in the country.
More and more families are coming, and right now it's on the rebound, block by block.
It's like planting a bed of flowers. Right now it looks like dirt, but in the spring it all comes up, and it's going to be amazing.
My favorite part of investing in these houses is taking it from where they are, being these vacant eyesores, to being these beautiful homes that people want to live in and grow their families in.
Everything gonna be alright, babe.
I love that Baltimore has accepted me and has allowed me to make a home here.
Having homeowners that are investing in the community is good for everyone.
We're looking to start a family, and we really want to have a family business and to raise our kid up through that business.
I have 6 nieces and nephews, but especially for my nieces, I want to show them that, you know, you can be a businesswoman, you can go out and be an entrepreneur and take chances.
So we've learned so much, we've done so much, we've hit our head a lot, and we've learned every single step of the way. Now it's important for us to share that knowledge. You gotta lift as you climb.
We're still young. The sky's not even the limit, right? So where we're headed from here, I cannot even imagine where we're going next.